Exchanging cold hard cash to pay someone is so iOS 10. With Apple Pay Cash, you can pay someone simply by using a text message, or even request money. It's super easy. In order to use Apple Pay Cash, you need to have updated your phone to at least iOS 11.2 and have Apple Pay enabled on your phone. To set up Apple Pay Cash, go to Settings, click on Wallet, and then toggle on the Apple Pay Cash switch. Follow the prompts on the screen and you're ready to go. Apple Pay Cash is a virtual card and is linked to a credit card that you specify in Apple Pay. Now you're ready to split a bill or pay a friend back with just a text message. Click on the app icon in iMessage and then click on Apple Pay Cash. Set how much you want to request or pay. Hit send and you're done. All the recipient has to do is click pay and authenticate with either Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. No more exchanging cold hard cash. Tech yes.